Hello, and in this training session here we are going to learn how to do a quick production on a manufacturing order. In the manufacturing order center, here you can see all of the manufacturing orders ready to be produced. I'm going to select this manufacturing order number here, PAR-MO000395. What you need to be sure of is that you have all the raw materials available on the bill of materials to produce this manufacturing order. So I'm just going to double check and we are good. We have available 500 of this wallet one, which is part of the bill of material to produce this item here. We only require 2 because we're only making 2. So I can then proceed to do the quick produce. Quick produce, click OK. And now production is complete and we now have that manufacturing order has been converted into finished good.